I have been leading teams for over a decade now, and one thing I had seen over and over again, performance evaluations are often rushed, vague, and sometimes even demoralizing. But it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, I will show you exactly how I approach evaluations to make them meaningful, fair, and even motivating. Stick around until the end. I will share the most common mistakes leaders make, and you will get access to a simple template that makes this whole process way easier. Step 1. It's all about preparation. Centralizing everything about the person you are evaluating in a single document. Here is what I include: the date of their last promotion, their last salary adjustment, if you have it, meetings they had with me and my notes from those meetings, any public recognition they have received, their personal and team goals and current status, any milestones they have accomplished, and most importantly, our company values. Do they embody them? This is the foundation. If you don't collect this throughout the year, performance reviews turn into scramble. It's like trying to write a book with no outline. If you want to see exactly how I track all of this effortlessly, check out the link in the video description. Step 2. Don't do it alone. If your company supports 360 feedback or peer evaluation, use it. And if not, take the initiative. Reach out to 3 people who work closely with this person. Are you asking why? Because no matter how fair we think we are, we all have blind spots. Getting peer feedback helps you balance your views and make sure your evaluation is based on actual behavior, not just impressions. Now that you have everything in one place, you can use AI to help you create a strong first draft. Here's the exact prompt I use. Based on the following information, I need a performance evaluation for John Doe. First, summarize their accomplishment. Second, outline areas for improvement. And finally, highlight any major achievements or milestones. Then, paste everything you have in the centralized doc, or upload the content if your AI tool supports it. But here's the most important part. Do not copy and paste the result. You still need to review and edit. AI helps with structure and flow, but only you know the full context. Before we wrap up, here are the top mistakes I see leaders make in performance evaluations. Writing the evaluation at the last minute, focusing only on metrics and ignoring behavior, skipping peer feedback, using vague language like needs improvement without specifics. Making it feel like a checklist is not a conversation. To help you avoid all of this, I included a simple performance review template I use for every evaluation. You will find it in the description. If this video has been helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with other tech leads who could use it. And tell me in the comments, what's your biggest challenge when it comes to evaluation? I would love to hear how other leaders approach this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.